Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you 25 YouTube ideas that will blow up your channel in 2024. So without wasting time, let's dive in the video. And I've written them down. One is a weekend vlog. Number 2 is a self-care day vlog. Number 3 is morning routine. And number 4 is travel vlog. 4 is story time. If you are a good storyteller, please try to give a story. It can maybe how we broke up with my girlfriend, or how we broke up with my boyfriend, the worst day of my life, what I learned in my life. Number 5 is what's in my bag or what's in my purse. 5 is a pink girly haul. Number 8 is makeup routine. A busy day in my life. You can film a busy day in your life, like it can be Monday, Tuesday, or any day of the week that you've been busy the whole day. Maybe it can be on your work that you've been busy. Number 10 is life as an introvert. 11 is reviews. Number 12 is a cozy rainy day. Number 13, feminine hygiene tips. Number 14 is clean with me. 15 is night routines. Night routines also do well. Go check them out. And number 16 is a Sunday reset. Personally, I love Sunday reset, and I've been also trying to do a Sunday reset. They also do very well. Go check them out. And number 17 is what I eat for a week. Romanticizing your life. What's in my iPhone or Android. 20 is pack with me. Subscribe to my channel, and it will also mean a lot to me. And number 21 is grocery shopping. 22 is holiday shopping. Number 23 is move-in vlog. Get ready with me vlog. And number 25 is cook with me. Show people what kind of food are you cooking, and maybe they want to try your recipes. And thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for sticking around until to the end of this video. I would like you to support me by liking and sharing, and subscribe to my channel for videos like this. So that brings us to the end of this video. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay hydrated. God loves you, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.